Basically, he was always looking for a way to fulfill a need, and started with some product that some neighbors were interested in. It really moved on from there to a variety of items in our history. Regarding the round baler, my dad was out walking with a friend one morning who was putting up square bales and said there has to be a better way, and basically decided he was going to sell his herd of cattle because he thought it was too much work. And from that, Dad went to engineering and had a gentleman called Arnie Mathis with a 6th grade education, but a brilliant person, and together they started developing the large round hay baler.
Most important thing back even in those early discussions was there was expectations set. So to the point, it wasn't just I get to show up here and you're gonna let me be this role or let me be on the board. It was early on as a junior high for me, there was expectations of how you needed to get there.
We are going to take this tornado opportunity to rebuild better and stronger than what we were before. We, as 3rd generation and 4th generation shareholders, we've been in existence for 71 years, and it is our strong desire to go through the 100-year mark 29 years from now.